You've missed the Kalaghoda Fest, then worry not, because we are at the annual cultural extravaganza, which is filled with music, performances, art, culture and all the things good. Let's see what we can scout for today. So this art fest is nothing short of creativity, culture, food and a lot of fun things. There's so much to do here. I can currently see a lot of things around me, and one of them are these amazing installations. So colorful, such a nice place to get pictures at, right? Come, let me show you other things. Okay guys, my Insta feed is going to look totally lit because I've heard that there are over 30 installations that you can get pictures at, and they're very quirky ones. So there's a number of artsy workshops also that you can attend, and that's so cool, right? Attending so many workshops under the comfort of a mall where you can just skip and hop and go to eat something or go to shop for something. And they have really cool workshops here if you have a look. So there are kids workshops from 4 to 5:30 and adults workshops from 5:30 to 7 every day. Oh, and you can check out the schedule here. One of the main reasons why I love fests like this, you get so much to shop, and that's exactly what's it like here too. There is a flea market where they have a lot of quirky stuff to shop for. Oh, and there are a number of other engaging and interesting performances also that you can catch, so come, let's go see them.
Let's go. What's up, guys? You're gonna come back, right?
So I think this is a perfect way when you're coming with friends or with family to spend some quality time at an art and culture fest. Block your calendars from 14 to 23 Feb and come to our city. This is Gina Linanda signing off. Oh, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales.